Adding Google reviews to your Wix website is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can add Google reviews to your Wix website. So the process is very simple. First of all, you need to go to your Wix and then you have to go to your Wix.com. And the Wix.com, you simply have to log into your account. Now, after logging in, you will see the dashboard. Now here you have to click on this edit site and it will open up Wix website editor. Until it loads, you just have to go to a new tab and here you have to search for Elf site. After searching for that, you have to go to this website, which should be elfsite.com, and there you have to log into your account. If you do not have one, just create new one quickly. Now, afterwards, you just have to go to Google reviews, and then you have to click on this create widget. Now, after clicking on that, it will open up how and what type of Google reviews you need. You just need to add your address and all the things. Afterwards, your Google widget or Google reviews widget will be ready. Now, after having this widget, it will give you some sort of links. Now, what you can do with the link. So what you have to do, you just have to go to your Wix website editor and then you have to, embed it as an HTML code. And there you go. So if I click on add element and there should be HTML code, you just have to embed that as an HTML code. And there you go. You just have to paste the link and afterwards, what it will do is it will actually create that widget right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.